guys, Galaxy here. We are doing the Mallee Blast this weekend. We are going to be riding from Swan Hill to Torquay. It's 550 kilometres and about 3,000 metres climbing. Over the last few days, Swan Hill had some of the wettest weather on record. I had absolutely no idea what the mud in the Mallee can be like. Trick for the mud for later.
They said it's like a 1 in 50 year storm that's just passing through at the moment. So, you know, he promises it's meant to be dry, but I'm pretty sure the 50 mil of rain we've had in the last 12 hours is proving him wrong. Swan Hill's always sunny, he said.
Rightio, we're on the gravel.
Only 500k to go.
20k's, 60 metres of climbing, so she's flat as tack out here pretty much. So it's official, the mud has started. The road surface has now changed to something much more productive. Look at that power output going on there. That's the Mallee out there. And that is the mud bath down here. The good stuff looks almost exactly the same as the bad stuff. So you think you're going alright, and then you just hit some soft clay. Well, there we go, just like that. Back slides out, front slides out. Pull the core on, your way you go again.
Here's the most stickiest stuff.
We're into a serious hiker bike now. Mud everywhere. Still going. Oh, he's... Oh. So the mud has got so bad that I've actually had to chop this off because I can't actually turn the wheels. You can see that's just a mix of barley and crap. Hopefully now I'll actually be able to turn my front wheel. There's not a huge amount of clearance in there, but hopefully that's a little bit better than what it was. So this is what you call hiker bike on the flat. It is a thing out here on the Mallee. Tyre slowly gets caked in mud, and slowly you start slowing down.
I can categorically say this is the end of the dirt roads for me, bro.
Isn't that bitumen just straight ahead?
Oh, if it is, we'll be on it. She's gonna keep fucking pedaling. What's the average now, boys?
At this point the mud completely clogged the microphone on the GoPro, and as you can see pretty much trashed the lens. And here I am scraping the mud off the wheels with the blue packing tape that Kutri gave us earlier in the day.
Main roads gonna start going way up.
Round by myself, be fine by myself. I don't need no one help, I don't need no one else. Build it by myself, bourbon from top shelf. Yeah, I don't need no one, I don't need no one. Round by myself, be fine by myself. I don't need no one help, I don't need no one else. Build it by myself, bourbon from top shelf. Yeah, I don't even know what.
What's your proof?
Christ, we didn't persist with with the
Oh mate, the mud would have
roads,
been,
bro.
that would have been absolutely,
Not have got this before midnight, man.
oh we'd be just,
May not have got anywhere.
Never no CJC, I'm putting up orders. Bitch, if you're talking about funds, then I guess I'm a hoarder. Now, stakes been high, took a look at my steak been looking like Porterhouse. Brand new LLC, new EIN, had to open up more accounts. Guess I'm back in my bag.
I'm getting a wash, I suppose.
My ass is hurting! Can you hear me? Be fine by myself. I don't need no one help. I don't need no one else. Build it by myself.
This is a sign that I am happy to see. St Arnaud. That was a big day, big day.